Hello, my name is Elizabeth, and today I will be taking you to the habitats of the world. This is a temperate forest. Places like this are cool and rainy, with lots and lots of trees. This is the rainforest. It is very humid and hot here. It rains most of the day. Places like this are found near the equator. This is the desert. It is very, very hot here with very little amount of water. Not too many organisms live here due to its harsh environment. This is the Arctic. It is freezing here with lots of snow and ice. This place also doesn't have too many organisms because of its harsh environment. And these are just some of the many beautiful habitats of the world. I hope you enjoyed!